Hey everybody, I wanted to do a short review on some of the male enhancement products I've come across in the last year that I think are the best out there and that you'll see the best results with. I've been getting a lot of emails to my blog on what is the best male enhancement to use, so I finally decided to put together a video for you guys and give you my own personal recommendations of what is actually working. Before I get started though, I want you guys to know that I went through some of the same struggles as you guys. I suffered from weak erections and size. It's nothing to be ashamed of, and there are actually good products on the market that will help you with performance issues. So after having like zero success for over a year trying different things, I finally found a couple of solutions that really do work. I had success with these simple steps. Get on a routine. This is the fastest way to gain bigger size and stamina. Stay consistent with the routine and you will see huge results, not only in your size, but also in your stamina and performance. This just simply works. I don't recommend any of the oils or creams on the market as I did not see any real results with those. There's actually a site that I found that has some very good recommendations of male enhancement products that are working very well. I'm going to leave a link to the site below in the description for you so you can go check it out. There are several options on the site that are recommended. All of them are good products, so I suggest that you choose the one that fits best and you feel more comfortable with. All of the options are very good though. My only other advice I can give you is to just take action. Nothing will change until you take action. If you're not happy with your size or your stamina and performance, then take action. These male enhancement products, excuse me, I highly recommend. So get to it. Check out the link below and get started getting huge results like I did. It works.